In 2023, we at Kyteway have brought ideas to life, connected learners worldwide, and set new e-learning standards. Empowering over 2 million learners, we've delivered innovative and customized training programs across various sectors and industries. Our journey of empowering learners worldwide stands as a testament to our commitment. Our partners, from various industries such as healthcare, corporate, manufacturing, retail sales, government and public organizations, and more, have seen remarkable outcomes. Tailoring content for a variety of subjects, we've made learning engaging and accessible. Recognized as industry leaders, our commitment to excellence sets us apart. Looking ahead, Kyteway is set to revolutionize the digital training industry, fostering growth and innovation. Are you all geared up with a dynamic training strategy for the upcoming year? Join us on this journey. Together, let's shape the future of learning.